Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
If you've seen the CE-32895-7 error code pop up on your PlayStation, you're certainly not alone. This particular issue usually points to a problem with an update file or perhaps a download that didn't quite complete successfully. It can be a little annoying, but the good news is it's often quite simple to fix. We'll walk through a few easy steps together, getting you back to gaming in no time. Our first step is always the easiest, a simple restart. Go ahead and completely power down your PlayStation, then restart your internet router too. Just unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once everything's back online, make sure your PlayStation is connected to a strong, stable internet signal. This often clears up minor glitches right away, so give it a try. If a simple restart doesn't work, rebuilding your database is a great next step. This process helps reorganize the files on your system's hard drive, often fixing corrupt data. You'll need to start your PlayStation in safe mode, then select the Rebuild Database option. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your games or precious saved data. It just cleans things up behind the scenes, making your system more efficient. Sometimes, the CE-32895-7 error is linked to a particular game or application. If that's the case, try deleting that specific content from your system. Then, simply re-download it directly from your PlayStation's game library. This ensures you're getting a fresh copy, free from any potential corruption that might have occurred during the initial download or update. It's often very effective for isolated issues. We've covered a few reliable ways to tackle the CE-32895-7 error code. Remember to approach these solutions one step at a time, patiently checking after each attempt. If you've tried everything and the error still persists, make sure your PlayStation system software is completely up to date. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out directly to PlayStation support. They're there to help you resolve more complex issues and get you back in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.